Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 20 smart and stylish small laundry room ideas that maximize space without sacrificing function or design. Whether you're working with a tiny nook or a compact corner, these tips will help you transform your laundry space into an efficient and beautiful area. Stay tuned for creative storage hacks, space-saving layouts, and design inspirations that will make laundry day feel a little more enjoyable. 1. Maximize vertical space. One of the most effective ways to increase storage in a small laundry room is to utilize vertical space. Stack your washer and dryer to free up floor space and install cabinets that reach up to the ceiling. This ensures no inch is wasted and provides ample storage for laundry supplies and cleaning products. 2. One-wall laundry room. A one-wall laundry room design can pack a lot of functionality into a small space. Install a countertop over the washer and dryer for folding clothes and add open shelves above for easy access to supplies. Incorporate a narrow rolling cart next to the machines for additional storage. This setup is efficient and keeps everything within reach. 3. Organized laundry closet. Transform an underused closet into an organized laundry space. Side-by-side appliances maximize the width, and an elevated countertop offers space for folding and storing essentials. Woven bins can be used instead of bulky baskets to hold clean clothes. Upper cabinets keep clutter hidden, and a hanging rod provides space for air-drying clothes. 4. Mudroom laundry room. Combine the functionalities of a mudroom and laundry room into a single, multi-purpose space. Install a utility sink and a countertop over the machines for folding clothes. Add a floating shelf for storage, and keep the design simple and streamlined to maximize the utility of the space. 5. Stack the washer and dryer. In small spaces, stacking the washer and dryer is a must. This vertical arrangement saves floor space and allows for additional storage options. Ensure cabinets extend from floor to ceiling to maximize storage and keep the area organized. 6. Laundry room floating shelves. Floating shelves are a great way to add storage without occupying much space. Place shelves above the washer and dryer for storing supplies, and use a plywood countertop for folding clothes. Adding cozy decor items and a wallpapered accent wall can define the area and make it more inviting. 7. Mobile laundry room storage. A tiered rolling cart can be a game changer in a small laundry room. It keeps frequently used items within reach and can be easily moved around as needed. Attach a small ironing board to the cart for convenience and efficiency. 8. Small laundry room countertops. A waterfall-wood countertop over front-loading appliances can create a stylish and functional folding station. Use the space beneath the countertop for baskets and the cabinets above for hidden storage. This setup makes efficient use of limited space and keeps the area tidy. 9. Hidden washer and dryer. If you have a small, oddly shaped room, consider hiding your washer and dryer in a tall nook. Decorate the remaining space with cheerful motifs to make the area pleasant and welcoming. This approach keeps the laundry area functional while adding a touch of style. 10. Combined bathroom and laundry room. For homes without separate laundry rooms, combining the laundry area with a bathroom can be a practical solution. Stack the washer and dryer to save space and use open shelves to store both laundry and bathroom essentials. This combination makes the most of limited space. Transforming a small laundry room into a functional and stylish space is entirely possible with the right ideas and organizational tools. From maximizing vertical space to incorporating multifunctional elements, these ideas can help you create an efficient and inviting laundry area. Implement these small laundry room design ideas to make the most of your space and enhance your home's functionality. Thank you for watching. We hope these 20 small laundry room ideas inspired you to make the most of your space, no matter how limited. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home design inspiration. Let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite, and feel free to share any of your own small space laundry room hacks. See you in the next video.